I'm Jeremiah from ENS, and I have RV in the call center at the same time. And this is Ferry working through the night and support in the Philippines for what we do, which is digital signage. But that's not what we want to talk about today, right? What we want to talk about is new technology that we want to showcase beautiful art on top of it and just see where this goes in society. I know that sounds a little obtuse, so let me explain. So here is an account in our system. We built a sign administration and management system for screens all over the place. And what you're looking at is RV's screen behind him over in the Philippines over there. We made this little technology we call remote control. And it's an idea where you can have a browser that can real-time talk to another browser. So you see behind him, he's got his kiosk over there in the Philippines. And when I click on content here, notice what's happening over on the other side of the planet. I'm changing that screen in real time with nothing to download, nothing to install, from here to there. Now, we took some content that seems weird. We took his kiosk and put some landscape content on there. But the reason we did that, Michael, is because of this page. What we've done here is we've made the same thing for you. And we can reskin this, of course. It doesn't have to be our branding, but just want to give it to you as a proof of concept so you can kind of appreciate what we're trying to do. RV, can you scan this QR code?
Yep.
So what this is, same idea, but now you don't need a digital sign. You could do this with any browser to any browser. So you could have like art up on a big screen, and then have a QR code either on the screen or beside it that somebody, did you grab that with your phone?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So farther up here on this page, you can see that there's a section for artwork. You want to click on a few of the images there, Arby? And again, this is an alpha 2. One thing I have seen is if it goes to black screen, what you want to do is just refresh the page. So that's some quirk with the programmers we still got to figure out. But try clicking through a couple of images and show your phone in the video here so Michael can see it. Okay, so you're in the Philippines, you're clicking on an image, another image, another image. So you're changing this screen in real time. So try it out, Michael. That's why we're giving this back to you. So we're putting this video on the bottom of this page. Just above it is the QR code, and just above it is some of your content. So of course, like I said on the phone, we're kind of like the canvas makers. You're nothing as a canvas maker unless you have beautiful art to put on the canvas. So that's what we want to play around with is see if we could do like virtual art gallery of the future kind of idea. So anyhow, that's us, and I look forward to continuing the dialogue and see where this might go. Thanks for your time.